Okay, hi everyone. Today we're going to look at this studio unit. Right, so it's a fully furnished studio unit on a high floor in Block B17 residence. Alright, so we're just going to do a quick walkthrough. Yeah, so the first thing you will notice is that the unit comes with a grill, and yeah, it provides additional security, and also you can lock with your own padlock. Yeah, so it's more better place to sleep and also more peace of mind. Okay, so the next thing here is that you have this space. This space is actually for you to put your shoe cabinet, which the owner, the landlord actually provides, but it's in the house. Alright, so moving on, in front of us we have the long corridor. Yeah, here we have the clothes rack. You can put this outside at the balcony, where you can get a lot of ample sun and sunlight to dry your clothes. Okay, and then after that, moving on, you have this kitchen pantry area where it comes with a kitchen cabinet, you know, 2-piece induction cooker, one sink, and also a fridge. Yeah, so this was the shoe cabinet I was telling you about. Yeah, you can put this outside, you know, because right now the unit's empty, so they just keep it inside the house, but have a lot of space to keep a lot of shoes. Okay, and then after that you have a dining table. Yeah, you can put that dining table here if you want, and it comes with 4 pieces of chairs. Yeah, so it's one set with 4 chairs. Alright, and then moving on, you have, this is the living hall, the living area for a studio. Very nice ID on the wall, very hopeful. Yeah, so you have a 2 or 3-seater sofa with also a TV console, a TV cabinet. You can put a TV on top here. Yeah, so if you look right above, you actually have I think it's a 1.5 horsepower aircon. Yeah, so this whole unit is being serviced by 2 aircons. Yeah, and moving on, this place with the wooden parquet is actually the bed partition already. So you will notice that there is no, how do you say, there's no proper partition or door, but this is just to show that this is a different space. So you have a featured wall behind with a very nice, crafty grey background, and also you have a full ceiling height 3-piece wardrobe. Yeah, this has been provided by the developer. Yeah, and you have also a remote control fan, ceiling fan. Yeah, with an aircon down here. So the other thing I'd like to show is that this unit actually comes with almost perfect blackout curtain. So if you're going to close the curtain like this, yeah, you can see that it really blocks the sunlight. Yeah, but when we open it, yeah, all the way, okay, yeah, you can get good sunlight for the whole house. Yeah, okay. And the last thing I'd like to mention also, when we are still at this space, is that since we are at a very high floor, we can actually appreciate a very good view. So just to give a bit of sense of direction, in front of us here is facing west. This is SS2 and all the landed houses in front. This part here is Jalan University, section 13, and then on this side is, is going towards KL already, section 16. Okay, so yeah, now let's turn back and see the one more thing that I have yet to cover, which is the toilet, shower, and then the washroom. Okay, so when you come in, once again, this is the place. On the left side is actually the toilet already. So you have a WC, you have a sink, and this space below here is actually to put a front loader washing machine in and out. Okay, and you also have a mirror. See myself. Yeah, and then you have a shower screen with a rain shower on top, and also a shower handle down here. And last but not least, you have a vent here. So this vent actually provides additional circulation so that the air is not so still in the house. Okay, so with that, just a quick pan of the whole house. If you like what you see, alright, feel free to contact us and let us know. Yeah, okay, so my name is Jordan, and together with Lisa, have a nice day everyone. Bye bye.